Okay, we're on.
Wait. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Poppy. What's the date today?
Today is March 5th.
Today is March 5th, 2012, and baby Gabrielle is going to have her first bites of real food, rice cereal. And Annabelle is going to feed her. And Poppy's here. Can you come and show Poppy? Larry's going to come and videotape you, Poppy.
There he is.
There's Poppy. Get the whole scan. Poppy's here. Un momento. Poppy's. Okay, Annabelle, just a minute. Do you get it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're going to do, Mommy's going to do the first bite to see how she does because she's never swallowed anything before. So Mommy's going to, baby, Gabrielle, this is your first bite. Look at her. She's smiling. Hi, Daddy.
What's that?
She's smiling. Okay. Annabelle.
What happened? Anything?
She liked it. She smiled.